Welcome YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to get sound mods for Left 4 Dead or Left 4 Dead 2. Installation is the same, just to let you know. So I'm going to go to reveresoftware.com. I'm going to put a link on the description. No worry, you might want to have what's it called, WinRAR for this. So first things first, once you get to this website, I'm going to put a link on the description. You want to go to Sound Packs and choose any of these two games or Counter-Strike, but I don't know how to use that. So I'm going to go here. There's that. There's a Black Ops, Matrix. There's this Matrix, Spybrake Sound Pack 3. So for example, I'm going to download the Black Ops one. I already have it downloaded, so no really big trouble. So just put download Left 4 Dead. And once you have it open here, I don't know what the hell you're using, Google Chrome. So you want to go to here, whatever you're using. I'm going to close that, that won't matter now. So you want to extract this to your desktop. Yes, it'll be right there. I want to close this, open. I'm going to go to VPK installation. You just want to double click on that and put that in your desktop easily. And go to your computer. Go to wherever you installed your Steam, but go to Program Files, x86. Want to look for your Steam. And for right now, there's Steam. Want to go to Steam Apps. Go to Common. Go to Left 4 Dead or Left 4 Dead 2, whatever you're using. I'm gonna go to Left 4 Dead, and you want to go to Left 4 Dead again. Click on that. I'm gonna go to add-ons, but I already have this here, so it's pointless. So what you want to do is stick this in there. Just leave it and put yes. Do whatever. Start up your Left 4 Dead like normally. And just want to let this load. Almost done. This computer is really good, but I don't know what's happening today. So to see if it works, go to extras, go to add-ons, and you should have it there. Make sure, if you're downloading more, make sure you cancel one out by doing this. So I want to go to done to see if it works. You just go to something random, start up the game, and you're going to see how the sound mod works. Just a second. It's almost done loading. Alright, so it's once it's done loading, you want to just fire randomly. So just a second. You'll see this works. Alright, so you just want to fire a weapon. I'll put this louder for you guys. Much different, eh? Look at it. This is the shotgun. Different, a lot different. You can test this with every weapon. It should be working. Hang on. Here's the Uzi. Sounds a lot different. Alright, thank you for watching. If you want, you can subscribe, and next tutorial is we're going to learn how to get an infinite ammo cheat for Black Ops. Alright, see you guys later.